What if I told you that your standard sidearm could become a tactical powerhouse in just seconds? With this sleek conversion kit, transforming your pistol into a versatile tool is as simple as 1, 2, 3. No need for special tools or expertise, just snap it on and you're ready for action. Precision, control, and adaptability, this conversion unlocks your pistol's full potential, turning it into a mission-ready weapon tailored to any situation. From upgraded grips to optics-ready mounts, every detail is designed for maximum efficiency, giving you the edge when it matters most. In high-stakes security, every second counts. Meet the Barrier Net, the ultimate vehicle arrest system, engineered to stop threats in their tracks. Designed for maximum stopping power, the Barrier Net can halt vehicles up to 15,000 pounds, reducing high-speed threats to a dead stop in seconds. Whether it's a runaway truck or a potential security breach, the Barrier Net absorbs impact and immobilizes vehicles instantly, keeping critical areas secure. And with quick reset capabilities, the Barrier Net is always prepared for whatever comes next. Reliability, durability, and instant protection all in one system. Barrier Net, your frontline defense against vehicular threats, ready when you need it every time. Imagine a drone so advanced, it's redefining what we thought possible. Meet the Lemur 2, the next generation in tactical drones. The Lemur 2 isn't just any drone, it's a game changer. Designed for high-risk missions, it's equipped with cutting-edge technology that makes it the ultimate tool for tactical operations. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, the Lemur 2 can navigate tight spaces with precision, thanks to its robust build and advanced collision avoidance system. And when it comes to surveillance, nothing compares. Its thermal imaging and high-definition camera provide crystal-clear visuals, even in complete darkness. Real-time data, live feed, and a powerful communication system mean you're always in control, no matter the environment. Whether it's search and rescue, reconnaissance, or tactical entry, the Lemur 2 is your ultimate ally on the front lines. Lemur 2 precision, power, and innovation in one unstoppable package. Ready for any mission, anytime. When seconds count and lives are on the line, there's no room for hesitation. Meet the Kinetic Breaching Tool, or KBTA, game changer in tactical operations. Engineered for speed, precision, and raw power, this tool is the ultimate key to any locked door. Whether it's a fortified steel gate or a stubborn wooden door, the KBT's hydraulic force does what manual tools can't, shattering obstacles in seconds. It's the silent partner every tactical team needs. Efficiency and safety are paramount. The KBT minimizes time at the breach point, giving your team the upper hand while keeping them protected. When the mission calls for precision and power, the KBT is the tool that answers. Imagine having eyes in places too dangerous for humans to go. Introducing the Recon Scout XT, a tactical surveillance robot designed for extreme conditions. This device is built to be thrown into the unknown. Whether it's a hostage situation, a suspicious package, or a room that needs clearing, the Recon Scout XT gives law enforcement and military personnel the upper hand. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, the Recon Scout XT provides real-time intelligence, allowing officers to assess threats and plan their approach without putting themselves in harm's way. Durable, portable, and reliable, the Recon Scout XT is more than just a gadget, it's a lifeline in critical situations. Ever wondered how toll enforcement is carried out on the move? Meet the cutting-edge tool that ensures every vehicle on the road pays its fair share. Introducing mobile toll enforcement, where technology meets efficiency. This unassuming van is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile toll enforcement unit. Equipped with advanced ANPR automatic number plate recognition cameras, it can detect vehicles that bypass tolls, ensuring compliance on highways and roads across the country. Here's how it works as the mobile toll enforcement unit moves through traffic. It scans the license plates of passing vehicles. In seconds, the system cross-references the data with toll payment records. If a vehicle is flagged for non-payment, enforcement action is initiated immediately. Not only does this technology help in catching violators, but it also keeps the roads fair and toll systems effective, ensuring that everyone contributes their part. So next time you're on the road, remember that mobile toll enforcement is out there, keeping the system running smoothly. No toll dodgers, just fair play. High-speed chases can be dangerous for everyone involved. But what if there was a way to safely stop a fleeing vehicle without putting lives at risk? Meet Mobile Spike, the ultimate pursuit ending solution that brings a whole new meaning to stop in your tracks. Mobile Spike is a revolutionary tool designed to stop vehicles safely and effectively during pursuits. Mounted directly to the front of law enforcement vehicles, this spike strip deploys with precision at the press of a button, allowing officers to disable the tires of a fleeing vehicle in seconds. Unlike traditional spike strips, Mobile Spike eliminates the need for officers to manually deploy and retract the spikes, keeping them out of harm's way and ensuring they remain in control of the situation at all times. With its quick deployment and retractability, Mobile Spike is a game changer in high-stakes scenarios. It offers law enforcement a safer, more controlled way to end pursuits, reducing risk for officers, suspects, and the public alike. Mobile Spike, because when it comes to protecting lives, speed and safety go hand in hand. It's the future of pursuit intervention, ensuring that every chase ends with precision. Imagine flying with the freedom of a drone, only this time you're the pilot. Introducing Hexa by Lift Aircraft, a personal aerial vehicle that's changing the way we think about flight. This ultralight, single-passenger aircraft doesn't just look futuristic, it is the future. With 18 independent rotors, Hexa is as stable as it is nimble, making flying effortless for anyone. No pilot's license? No problem. Hexa's intuitive controls and advanced safety systems ensure that anyone can experience the thrill of flight safely and securely. Whether you're exploring new heights or just enjoying the view, Hexa turns the dream of personal flight into a reality. Adventure is now just a lift away. Lift Aircraft Hexa, are you ready to take off? Meet RUBEZH, the ultimate tactical edge in urban warfare and crisis response. This isn't just another armored vehicle, it's a fortress on wheels crafted for precision and protection. With its cutting-edge modular armor system, RUBEZH provides unrivaled protection for tactical teams in the most intense situations. But that's just the beginning. Need to breach a fortified building or provide rapid response in an active situation? RUBEZH's adaptability makes it a game changer, turning any scenario into a controlled environment. Whether it's high-risk rescue missions or securing a high-value target, RUBEZH is the tool that makes the impossible to possible. RUBEZH. When the mission demands the best, nothing less will do. Ever wondered how law enforcement can track a moving target without the need for a high-speed chase? Imagine the combination of high-tech GPS and a launcher that could do just that right from an officer's hands. Introducing the Starkist handheld GPS launcher, a revolutionary device that's changing the game in pursuit tactics. This isn't just a cool gadget, this is a lifeline for public safety. The Starkist handheld GPS launcher allows officers to attach a GPS tracking device to a suspect's vehicle from a distance. With a single shot, the GPS tag is launched and securely attaches to the target. This allows authorities to back off, de-escalate dangerous pursuits, and track suspects in real time, all without putting innocent lives at risk. Think of it as the perfect balance between technology and tactical enforcement. With the Starkist GPS launcher, the focus shifts from high-risk chases to smart, safe, and effective law enforcement. So the next time you see an officer with this bright yellow device, know that it's not just any tool, it's a groundbreaking innovation keeping our streets safer. The Starkist handheld GPS launcher, because in the race against time, precision is everything. When the night closes in and the stakes are high, who has your back? Meet the FLIR K100, your K9's new best friend. Designed specifically for K9 units, the FLIR K100 brings advanced thermal imaging to the front lines, providing unmatched visibility even in complete darkness. From tracking suspects to locating missing persons, the FLIR K100 is a game changer. Its dual camera setup captures every crucial detail, allowing handlers to see what their K9 sees no matter the conditions. Built to endure the toughest environments, the FLIR K100 is as rugged as the K9s that wear it. Rain, mud, or rough terrain, this gear never quits, ensuring you never miss a moment. Seamlessly integrated with your team's gear, the FLIR K100 streams live video and GPS data directly to your handheld device, turning your K9 into a powerful four-legged reconnaissance tool. In the world of tactical operations, every advantage counts. With the FLIR K100, your K9 has the edge it needs to lead the way. See the unseen and conquer the night. Origami, a centuries-old art form. known for its beauty and elegance. But what if I told you that the same principles of folding paper are now saving lives? This is no ordinary shield. It's a bulletproof origami, a cutting-edge innovation designed by mechanical engineers at Brigham Young University. Inspired by the intricate folds of Japanese origami, this Kevlar-based shield is revolutionizing the way we think about personal protection. Unlike traditional heavy shields, this origami-inspired design is ultra-lightweight and incredibly portable. Weighing just 55 pounds, it's easy to carry, yet robust enough to stop bullets in their tracks. And when it's not in use, just fold it up, and it fits perfectly in the trunk of your car. Engineered with precision, this shield offers law enforcement and first responders a versatile and reliable defense tool that can be deployed in seconds. Inspired by art, perfected by science, this is bulletproof origami, the future of personal protection. Meet the Grappler Police Bumper, a game-changing tool in law enforcement's fight against high-speed chases. This isn't just a regular bumper. It's a tactical device that can stop a suspect's vehicle in its tracks. In seconds, the Grappler deploys a heavy-duty nylon net that wraps around the target vehicle's rear tire, bringing it to a safe and controlled stop. High-speed chases can endanger lives, but with the Grappler, officers now have a safer, more controlled way to end pursuits, minimizing the risk to the public and themselves. In a world where seconds count, the Grappler Police Bumper is revolutionizing vehicle pursuit tactics, ensuring safer roads for everyone. In the world of mission-critical communications, there's no room for compromise. Meet the Motorola APXN radios, your ultimate companion in the field. Designed for those who serve and protect, these radios deliver unmatched clarity even in the most chaotic environments. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, the APXN series keeps you connected, informed, and in control whether you're responding to an emergency or coordinating on the ground. Built tough to withstand the rigors of the job, this radio is more than just a tool, it's a lifeline. When every second counts, trust the Motorola APXN radios to keep you a step ahead, because your mission deserves nothing less. When seconds count, protection shouldn't be complicated. Introducing Pop Shield, the rapid deploy ballistic shield that fits in your backpack. With just one pull, Pop Shield unfolds into a bullet-resistant barrier, providing instant protection in life-threatening situations. Designed to be lightweight and portable, it's crafted from advanced ballistic materials that stop handgun rounds, yet it's easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're in the field, on duty, or just want peace of mind, Pop Shield is your go-to for personal safety without the bulk. And when the threat is over, it packs back down in seconds, ready for the next time you need it.